Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini dashboard layout that I use for social media. And this week I will be combining good habits with these gorgeous florals from the, Bloom's Be Happy box. Let's get started. All right, so now that I've got everything ready to go, let's see what I wanted to do. Control your destiny, make happiness a habit. I do want to put a big box, but at the same time, I like to keep crushing your goals. Okay, let's figure out first what I want to do with this space, because here will be the videos I need to film, and then I need a space to put down my Instagram and YouTube stats. So let's see, goal, I crushed it, progress made needs work. I am proud of myself for, I picked the reflection. The reflection one is a good one. Gosh, I feel like I have used this book quite well considering, but let's find a box. Okay, let's use this. How am I making progress? And then combine it with the keep crushing your goals, but also with a floral. So how do I want to do this? I'm going to put this up here because I really like the yellow. And then this down here, or should I put a big floral first? I think this calls for a big, massive floral if I don't rip it first. Yes. Big, big floral. Love it. And then this right over here. Oh, gorgeous. You can see a little bit of the floral through it, which actually I don't mind at all. Then up here, I'm going to put focus with slightly smaller floral, even if it's a leaf. I like that. Focus, and then this will just be what I have to film. I'm going to try and put a quote down here or something. I'm all over the place here. Be patient. Oh, I feel like that's perfect for my social media journey. Yeah, because I feel like I'm so grateful for all of you guys that do watch my videos, but I feel like I've been a bit stagnant in terms of the growth of my channel. Yeah, maybe put this one, keep moving forward, or let's do this. Yeah, let's do the keep moving forward. Okay, then on this side, up here is my schedule of YouTube videos, so I will, there's that sheet here, progress, improvements. Let's put details with another floral, of course. Let's do it like this. So I don't fully cover up the date. And okay, details, so then all the videos will go down there, and then, gosh, they're so pretty. I'm going to, I wonder if I could do that, like one here and then one here. Yeah, so I'm going to do this like that, and then cut that off. Where are my scissors again? Oh, I drive myself crazy with not putting my scissors back. And I totally thought I did this time around. Seriously? Oh, there. Sorry. Okay, so this, and cut off the excess. I feel like when you guys watch my process, you also watch me like go crazy. Like you can hear in my voice, she's a little bit crazy today. And that's okay. I'm going to punch the hole in that quickly using my Happy Planner punch. Because I did, whoops, it is not going in. There we go. Okay. Perfect. And then I actually really like that detail. And then putting one more here in the corner. What should I put in that corner? I feel like, let's do this one. And it's just going to be half, not even half. Just like that. And then the other half I will put on a different spread. Okay, so just having the florals on there, it's very pretty, very plain, but very pretty. So now going through and trying to find if it's better there aren't really quarter boxes in here. It's basically these icons. So I could go between the two, going with what's going to be in a color background, what's going to be in a white background, and I can differentiate that between, or by using the different icons. So Monday is normally the day that I put out the dashboard layout, and that's going to be on a white background. Let's grab the tweezers here. On a white background. There we go. And then vertical will be on a color background. And then horizontal will be on a white background. And I don't normally post more than one photo a day. Unless I'm doing a lifestyle, then I normally try and get that on the same day as something else. Thursday is the daily, which is a color background. And I just realized I do have to put a lifestyle photo here. So let's pick this up and move this down. Because I do have a certain pattern for how I like to do things. I feel like over the last year, I've found the groove in terms of how I like my feed to look. Friday will be fitness, which will be on a white background. And then I totally mixed up last week. So thank you for whoever pointed it out to me. I put the fitness title with the hourly video. I don't know what I was thinking or what happened there, but anyway, thank you for pointing that out to me. That was a total disaster, but that's okay. Okay, so daily Thursday color, fitness is on a white background. Then there's a lifestyle photo here. Lifestyle on the Saturday, as well as putting out the hourly, which will be on a white background. And then Sunday is after the pen, which will be color background. All right, so it feels pretty simple. It doesn't feel like it's got a ton of color. I realize that now. Let's see what else I can add to add a little bit more color. So let's go to quotes. I like this, control your destiny. Put that right here. adds a little bit of color. Then what else? Like these could be really, really useful. It's just where I put them. I like this one. Move forward. It will be okay. That feels a little out of place if I put that there, to be perfectly honest. I think I'm just going to leave that as is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in and then show you once it's all done. So there's my overall finished spread. So in this area are the videos that I need to film, and I normally do my filming on Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. And then in here I keep track of my YouTube and Instagram stats, so my total number of views, my total number of subscribers, and then my total number of followers on Instagram. And then in here I keep track of when the videos actually are going to be published. So a lot of the times, actually all the time, I do the editing and uploading of all the videos over the weekend and then schedule them to be released during the week. And then in this area, I've written down my Instagram posts or my scheduled Instagram posts. So really functional, and I'm really liking the dashboard layout for social media. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.